Here comes the Branson Scenic Railway train back into the station.
Yeah,
It's a Zephyr train.
yeah, it's a south one. Yeah,
We went south today. We missed a south route.
yeah, we should ride the south train, right, Dad?
Yep, hopefully, but we can watch it come on back in.
Maybe we should wait.
Just slowly pulling into the station, ready to drop people off. There it is. It's gonna be parking. Parking in style. There's the train. There's the Branson Scenic Railroad train.
Yeah, we should go on the south one day, right, Dad?
Thanks for watching. J&J Rail fans out. God bless and have a good day. Remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate all that you do. Joel's showing us what a little thumbs up looks like. Thanks for watching. God bless.